Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain matrices concept. Okay, today I would like to explain types of transpose of matrices. Okay, so two types of matrices. First one is symmetric matrix and second one is skew symmetric matrix. So first is matrix is symmetric matrix. So what is the symmetric matrix? A square matrix A is equal to Aij is called symmetric matrix if Aij equal to Aji for all I and j. Okay, so that is A transpose of A is equal to A. Transpose of A equal to A. So now I give one example. If A is equal to A HG HBF GFC. Okay, so then A transpose is, so what is the transpose of given matrix? First column will be changed first row AHG and second column is second row and third column is third row. So this is nothing but A. Okay, so if A transpose equal to A, then A is called symmetric matrix. This is example for symmetric. Therefore A is symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain skew symmetric matrix. What is a skew symmetric matrix? A square matrix A is equal to Aij is called skew symmetric matrix if Aij equal to minus Aji. Okay, for all I and j. This symbol for all. Aij equal to minus Aji. So that is A transpose equal to minus A. So transpose of A equal to minus A. Then A is called skew symmetric matrix. I give one example. A is equal to 0 AB 0 AB 0 0 C. Okay, minus A minus B minus C 0. So this is called skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain skew symmetric matrix example. A is equal to 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Okay, this is skew symmetric matrix. So now explain. Taking transpose on both sides, A transpose equal to, so transpose of this matrix 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 whole transpose. It will going to be transpose of A is 0. So first column will be first row and second column will be changed second row. Third column is third row. Okay, so A transpose equal to, in this matrix one minus 1 take out common, so minus into 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Okay, so this is nothing but given matrix A. Okay, minus A. Therefore A transpose equal to minus A. Therefore A is called skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let us observe this skew symmetric matrix. Okay, first point. All principal diagonal elements of skew symmetric matrix are always zeros. Okay, all principal diagonal elements of skew symmetric matrix are always zeros. Okay. Next, second point, the trace of A. The trace of A is 0. Trace of A. What is trace of A? Trace of A is 0. So trace of A means the sum of principal diagonal elements. So trace of A means the sum of principal diagonal elements. Okay, now explain important properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. First point, if A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose, A into A transpose into A are symmetric matrices. Okay. So now explain first point. So let us take P is equal to A plus A transpose. Okay. Now taking transpose on both sides, P transpose equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. We have A plus B whole transpose. This is a transposition property, A transpose plus P transpose. Okay. So it will going to be P transpose equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. It will be A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose by using this property, where A place in A, B place in A transpose right. So A transpose plus A transpose whole transpose. We have A transpose whole transpose equal to A. Okay, it will going to be A transpose whole transpose is A. So therefore P transpose equal to A transpose plus A is nothing but P. Therefore P is symmetric matrix. What is the definition of symmetric? If P transpose equal to P, then P is called symmetric matrix, where P place in what value is there? P is equal to A plus A transpose is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. Okay. So let us take Q is equal to A into A transpose. Now taking transpose on both sides, A Q transpose equal to A into A transpose whole transpose. Okay. We have AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. We should apply that property, Q transpose equal to A into A transpose whole transpose, where B place in A transpose right. Okay. So what is the form? AB whole transpose equal to B transpose of B into transpose of A. It will going to be transpose of A whole transpose into A transpose. It will going to be A transpose whole transpose is nothing but A into A transpose. This is equal to Q. Okay. Therefore Q transpose equal to Q. Therefore Q is, what is Q? A into A transpose is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain A transpose into A. Let us take R. So taking transpose on both sides, R transpose is equal to A transpose A whole transpose. It will going to be R transpose of R is equal to. So we should applying same formula, AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. It will going to be, this is A, B. AB whole transpose equal to, what is the formula? B transpose into A transpose. Okay, where B place in A transpose into transpose of A whole transpose. It will going to be A transpose into A transpose whole transpose is nothing but A. Okay, R transpose equal to A transpose into A is nothing but R. Therefore, R is called, R is A transpose into A is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain second point. If A is a square matrix, okay, then A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain this point. So let us take A minus A transpose is X. X is equal to A minus A transpose. Okay, now taking transpose on both sides, X transpose of X is equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose. We have A minus B whole transpose equal to, what is the formula? A transpose of A minus transpose of B. Okay, where A minus B whole transpose, B place in right A transpose. So what is the formula? A transpose minus B transpose, where B place in what value is there? A transpose. A transpose whole transpose. It will going to be A transpose minus transpose of A whole transpose is nothing but A. Okay, in this one minus 1 take out common, A minus A transpose. Therefore X transpose equal to minus of, so A minus A transpose. Okay, it place in, we should write X. So X transpose of X is equal to minus X. This is the definition of skew symmetric matrix. Therefore X is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, where X is skew symmetric matrix, where X means A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain third point. If A and B are two symmetric matrices, then A plus B, A minus B, AB plus BA are symmetric matrices. And AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain this point. So let us take A plus B is equal to P. Okay, let us take P is equal to A plus B. So taking transpose on both sides, P transpose equal to A plus B whole transpose. It will going to be, so we have formula A transpose plus B transpose. But what is given? Where A and B are two symmetric matrices are given. Since A comma B are two symmetric matrices. So definition of, so what is given? A and B are two symmetric matrices are given. So according to definitions, A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. Okay. So where A transpose placed, we should write A, B transpose value B. Therefore A plus B is nothing but P. Where A plus B is nothing but P. Therefore P transpose equal to P. Therefore P is, what is P? A plus B is symmetric matrix. Okay. Okay, now explain A minus B. So let us take Q is equal to A minus B. Okay, now taking transpose on both sides, Q, transpose of Q is equal to transpose A minus B whole transpose. So transpose of A minus B, we have formula A transpose of A minus transpose of B. But what is given? Where A and B are two symmetric matrices are given, we have A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B. Okay, so where A transpose place we should write A, this is B. So A minus B is nothing but Q. Therefore, Q transpose is equal to Q. This is the definition of symmetric matrix. Therefore, Q is symmetric matrix. So what is the Q? A minus B is a symmetric matrix when AB are symmetric matrices. Okay, now explain AB plus BA. Okay, so let us take R is equal to AB plus BA. Okay, taking transpose on both sides, transpose of R is equal to AB plus BA whole transpose. We have formula A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. In this AB plus BA whole transpose. So AB transpose plus BA transpose, it will going to be, so AB whole transpose we have formula B transpose into A transpose. BA whole transpose is A transpose into B transpose. But in the statement what are given? AB are symmetric matrices. A transpose equal to A given, B transpose equal to B given. Okay, so B transpose B place, B transpose value B, B, A, AB. This is nothing but R. So R is equal to AB plus BA. So transpose of R is also equal to R. Therefore, R is called symmetric matrix. So A plus B symmetric, A minus B symmetric, AB plus BA symmetric matrices when A and B are symmetric matrices. Okay, now explain AB minus BA. Okay, now explain AB minus BA. So let us take X is equal to AB minus BA. Okay, now taking transpose on both sides. So transpose of X is equal to transpose of AB minus BA. So transpose of X is equal to, we have A minus B whole transpose formula, A transpose minus B transpose. In this AB minus BA whole transpose, it will going to be AB transpose minus BA transpose. Okay, so transpose of X is equal to, so transpose of AB, we have formula B transpose into A transpose. Transpose of BA, this it will be A transpose into B transpose. Okay, in this where AB are symmetric matrices are given, so transpose of A is equal to A given, transpose of B is equal to B given. Okay, right, this is B, A minus A, B. Okay, in this 1 minus 1 take out common, AB minus BA. Therefore, so transpose of X equal to minus of, so AB minus BA is nothing but X. So minus X, minus of this value X. So transpose of X equal to minus X, therefore X is called skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix when AB are symmetric matrices. Okay, now explain next point. If A and B are skew symmetric matrices, then A plus B, A minus B and AB minus BA are skew symmetric matrices. Okay, and AB plus BA. AB plus BA matrix is symmetric matrix. Is symmetric. Okay. So in this point, A and B are skew symmetric matrices. Then A plus B, A minus B, AB minus BA are skew symmetric matrices, and AB plus BA is symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain this point. Okay, now explain A plus B. So let us take A plus B is equal to P. Now taking transpose on both sides, transpose of P is equal to transpose of A plus B. It will going to be A transpose plus B transpose. But from this point, what are given? A and B are two skew symmetric matrices are given. A and B are two skew symmetric matrices are given. So the transpose of A is equal to minus A. Transpose of B equal to minus B are given. Okay, right? Transpose of A is minus A. Transpose of B is minus B. When this one minus 1 take out common, A plus B. Therefore, transpose of P is equal to minus of A plus B. This A plus B can be written as P. So P transpose of P is equal to minus P. This is the definition of skew symmetric matrix. Okay, therefore P is skew symmetric matrix. Therefore P transpose equal to minus P. Therefore P is called skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain A minus B. So let us take Q is equal to A minus B. Okay, in this point what is given? A and B are two skew symmetric matrices are given. Okay, transpose of A is equal to minus A and the transpose of B is equal to minus B are given. Okay, now taking transpose on both sides, transpose of Q is equal to transpose of A minus B. It will going to be transpose of A minus transpose of B, but transpose of A value given minus A, transpose of B is minus B. Therefore Q transpose of Q is equal, in this one minus 1 take out common, A minus B, minus of A minus B. It place in we should write Q. Therefore Q transpose of Q is equal to minus Q. Therefore Q is skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Okay, let us take AB minus BA is equal to R. Okay. So we have transpose of A minus A, transpose of minus B, transpose of B equal to minus B. Now taking transpose on both sides, AB minus BA whole transpose, it will going to be AB transpose minus BA transpose. Okay, so transpose of AB, it will going to be B transpose into A transpose for direct formula. This is transpose of BA, it can be written as transpose of A into transpose of B. So transpose of B, we have minus B, transpose of A minus A, this is minus A minus B. In this one minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, this is BA minus AB. So BA minus BA minus AB. In this one minus 1 take out common, AB minus BA. This is nothing but minus R. Therefore transpose of R equal to minus R. Therefore R is called skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain AB plus BA. S is equal to AB plus BA. Okay, So what are given in this point? Transpose of A minus A, transpose of B minus B are given. Okay, now taking transpose on both sides, transpose of S is equal to AB plus BA whole transpose. So transpose of S equal to, so AB plus BA whole transpose. So this is nothing but transpose of AB plus transpose of BA. It will going to be transpose of AB. Formula B transpose into A transpose. This is A transpose into B transpose. So transpose of S equal to, so where B transpose value minus B, transpose of A equal to minus A, right? So minus B into minus A plus minus A into minus B. It will going to be minus into minus plus BA, minus into minus plus AB. This is nothing but S. So transpose of S equal to S, therefore S is called symmetric matrix. Okay. Okay, now explain fifth point. If A and B, two symmetric matrices, and AB equal to BA, then AB is symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain this point. Okay, let us take AB equal to X. X is equal to AB. Now taking transpose on both sides. So transpose of X is equal to transpose of AB. It will going to be B transpose into A transpose. But what is given in this point? A and B are symmetric matrices. So transpose of A is equal to A, transpose of B is equal to B are given. Okay. So it will going to be, so transpose of B is B, transpose of A is A. But BA value and second condition also given, AB is equal to BA. So BA is equal to, right, AB. Since BA is equal to AB given. Okay. So transpose of X is equal to, what is AB? So AB is nothing but X. Therefore X is called symmetric matrix. This is the definition of symmetric, where X is AB. So where X is equal to AB is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain sixth point. If A is a skew symmetric matrix and B is a square matrix of order that of A, and then B transpose of B into AB is. So B transpose AB is. So now explain this point. So let us take P is equal to B transpose into AB. Okay. Now taking transpose on both sides, transpose of B is equal to transpose of B transpose AB whole transpose. We have ABC whole transpose equal to C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. Okay. So B transpose AB whole transpose is nothing but ABC. What is the form? ABC whole transpose equal to, so first write C transpose into B transpose into A transpose. So it will going to be B transpose into A transpose into B transpose whole transpose. Where ABC place in B transpose AB. Okay, right. So B transpose of B. So transpose of A. So B transpose whole transpose is nothing but B. But in this point, what is given? A is skew symmetric matrix. So where A is skew symmetric matrix means transpose of A is equal to minus A. Okay. This B transpose into, so transpose of A place we should write minus A into B. This is nothing but minus P. So minus B transpose AB. So minus P. Therefore P transpose equal to minus P, therefore P is skew symmetric matrix. So what is the answer? Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, B transpose into AB is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, now explain seventh point. If E is skew symmetric matrix, and C is column matrix, then C transpose into AC is zero matrix. Okay, now explain this point. Okay, so C transpose into AC. So let us take C is equal to column matrix 1, 2, 3. Okay, so AB is a square matrix, skew symmetric matrix. So let us take A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3, 0. Okay, this is a skew symmetric matrix. 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0. Okay, now so transpose of C. So transpose of C is transpose of column matrix is row matrix into what is A? 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, 3, minus 2, minus 3, 0 into C. C be the column matrix. So this is order of the first matrix, 1 row, 3 columns. This is 3 by 3, this 3 by 1. Okay. First we should multiply first two matrices. The number of columns in first matrix, the number of rows in second matrix get cancelled. So it will be 1 by 3 matrix into third matrix, right, as it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, into this is, so 1 by 3. This matrix having 1 row, 3 columns, 1 row, 3 columns. So what is this place? First row multiply with first column, A11, A12, A13. First row, first column, 1 into 0, 0, minus 2, minus 6. Okay, minus 2, minus 6, minus 8. So this place first row multiply with second column, first row, second column, 1, 0, minus 9, minus 8. So first row multiply with third column, 2 plus 6, 8. Okay, now we should multiply these two matrices. The number of columns in first matrix, the number of rows in second matrix, if equal, the product is exists. It will going to be minus 8, minus 16 plus 24. It will going to be 0, null matrix. So 1 by 1 null matrix. So 1 by 1 null matrix, this is called zero matrix. Null matrix or zero matrix. Okay, now explain 8th point. If every square matrix can be uniquely expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Okay, so that is A is equal to A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. Okay, where A plus A transpose by 2 is symmetric matrix, this is symmetric, plus A minus A transpose by 2 is skew symmetric. So any matrix, any square matrix uniquely expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So let us do LCM 2. A transpose of A get cancelled. Transpose of A get cancelled. 2A by 2. So 2A by 2 is equal to A. So A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2 is nothing but A. Okay. Okay, now explain ninth point. If a matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, both symmetric and skew symmetric, then A is null matrix. Okay, so null matrix denoted by O. So this is 0, 0, 0. This null matrix satisfied symmetric and skew symmetric. Okay, now explain 10th point. If A and B are two symmetric matrices, and X is equal to AB plus BA, Y is equal to AB minus BA. Okay, then XY plus YX is skew symmetric matrix. Thank you for watching. Remaining concepts I will explain on coming classes.